It's the goats, alright? It's an emergency.
Oh my, they're just babies. Are you nervous?
No. Because I'm gonna go see.
How do you think they got out?
You did something. I don't know. I think I left the door open. I'm gonna find out. I'm gonna find out when I get there exactly what I did wrong. I have a feeling they're gonna be standing in their pen waiting for me.
Did you name them yet?
Steve and Tyler.
I love that.
Steve, Tyler, come here. What the fuck are you doing out there? Okay, you guys get back in here. Steven. Here, Steve. Here, Steve. Tyler's standing there. Here, Steve. Steven. Here, Steven. Oh my god, isn't he cute though? Wasn't it worth it?